Hey there, are you having trouble with your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps on how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV issues. Whether you're dealing with connectivity problems, screen issues, or software glitches, this comprehensive guide has solutions for you. Step 1. Check your internet connection. One of the most common issues with smart TVs involves connectivity. To ensure your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV functions optimally, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi router is working correctly and that your TV is properly connected. You can do this by navigating to the settings menu on your TV, selecting the network section to verify your Wi-Fi status, restarting your router and your TV to refresh the connection if needed. This step helps to eliminate network-related problems and ensure your streaming services and updates run smoothly. Step 2. Update your TV software. Keeping your TV software up to date is crucial for its optimal performance. Manufacturers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve functionalities. To update your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV, go to the Settings menu on your TV. Scroll to All Settings and then to General. Select About this TV and check for any available software updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to install it. Updating your TV can resolve several functionality issues and enhance your overall viewing experience. Step 3. Reset picture and sound settings. Sometimes issues with display or audio quality can occur due to incorrect settings. You can reset these settings to default on your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV to solve such issues. Go to the Settings menu on your TV. Navigate to Picture or Sound. Choose Advanced Settings or Expert Controls. Select Reset to Initial Picture Settings or Reset to Initial Sound Settings. This resets all custom settings to factory defaults, which can correct display or audio anomalies. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If persistent issues remain after trying the above steps, performing a factory reset might be necessary. A factory reset will revert your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV to its original settings. To do this, go to the Settings menu on your TV. Select General and then choose Reset to Initial Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all personal settings and downloaded apps, so be sure to back up important information. Step 5. Contact LG support. If your issues remain unresolved after completing all these steps, it might be time to reach out to LG support for professional assistance. They can provide specific guidance and arrange for service if required. And there you have it, a thorough guide on how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV. By following these steps, you can tackle common issues ranging from connectivity problems to software glitches, ensuring you continue to enjoy your favorite shows without interruption. Remember to perform regular updates and reach out to LG support when necessary. Happy viewing.